Built tough, reliable, and stacked with outstanding features, discover the newly designed CPD35 series Sinolift electric counterbalanced forklift. Raising the bar in strength and durability, the Sinolift CPD35 series comes with advanced lift capacities, ranging from 3 up to 3.5 tons. Take on demanding material handling applications with smooth steering and unrivaled maneuverability, including even in narrow aisles, thanks to the tight turning radius of the forklift. The low anti-slip footstep and hand grip ensure 3 safe points of contact when entering and exiting the forklift. And when it comes down to operator comfort, the forklift's spacious cabin has your back with an all-improved suspension seat, adjustable steering column, generous legroom, ensuring an excellent driving experience for the operator. The CPD35 series forklift features a powerful AC drive and lift motors backed up by reliable Curtis AC controllers, providing maximum performance and reliability, enabling you to move more pallets quicker than ever. Regenerative braking gives you peace of mind as energy is recycled back into the battery, increasing runtime. The high-capacity, maintenance-free lithium-ion battery ensures uptime of up to 8.5 hours on a single charge, guaranteeing you stress-free work shifts. The CPD35M series offers advanced lifting capabilities with a maximum lift height of up to 3,000 millimeters, which can also be extended to over 6,000 millimeters per your request. And with intelligent features like automatic speed control and synchronous power steering, the CPD35 series forklift is certain to offer a perfect driving experience. When it comes to safety, the CPD35 series forklift doubles down with a unique wide-view mast with all-around visibility and clear lines of sight, making sure operators can get the job done safely. When operating under low light conditions, the front and rear LEDs will sufficiently light the way for safer handling within the workplace, further strengthening operator confidence. The CPD35 series forklift sets a new standard for productivity and efficiency with the dependable heavy-duty mast and a low-profile counterweight to provide increased stability and precision when handling light and heavy loads. If you want to raise the bar in your business with long-lasting performance, strength, and productivity-boosting features, trust the Sinolift CPD35 series forklift to confidently get the job done.